Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve the one more question on a less than 500 rating, which is chess time. Okay, so the chef has recently started playing chess and wants to play as many games as possible. He calculated that playing one game of chess take at least 20 minutes of its time. So chef has an hour of free time. What is the maximum number of complete chess that he can play? So there at least 20-minute time is required to play a chess, and he has an x hours. So how many game that he can play? Okay, so here is given a 1 hour. 1 hour is given means 60 minutes. Okay, so here is given a 1 means 60 minutes. Okay, and one game require 20 minutes, so you just have to do division of 20, which is 3. So the 3 complete game that he can play. Okay, so in the same way, if there is given 10 hours, 10 hours into 60, which will in a minute, which is 600, and then you just have to do 20, so he can play 30 games. Okay, so I hope you understand the basic structure of the code and what is the question is telling you. So you just have to do first. Okay, you have to do int x cnx. Okay, while x minus minus is greater than 0, int t, and then cnt. Okay, and then you just have to convert it into hours into minute. So int minute will be t into 60. Okay, and then int answer will be mint by 20, and then you just have to do cout answer. So I hope you understand the basic structure of this code. So you just have to take int t while and then you have to take int t, say int t, and then while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to take int x and then cnx, and then int mint equals to x into 60. Okay, and then int answer equals to mint by 20. Then you just have to do cout answer and enter. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.